5 of the most beautiful diving spots in the world, known for their breathtaking underwater world. 1. Great Barrier Reef, Australia. The largest coral reef in the world offers an incredible diversity of marine life, colorful corals, and crystal-clear waters. It is a paradise for divers of all experience levels and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. 2. Raja Ampat, Indonesia. This island paradise is famous for its enormous biodiversity. With over 1,500 species of fish and 600 species of coral, Raja Ampat is a mecca for underwater photographers and nature lovers. The pristine reefs and turquoise lagoons offer spectacular diving. 3. Blue Hole, Belize. A fascinating circular underwater hole with a depth of over 120 meters. This place is famous for its steep walls, stalactites, and sharks, which are often spotted by divers. Half Moon Cay Wall. Located near the Blue Hole, this fantastic dive site is known for its colorful corals and rich biodiversity. Here, divers can see eagle rays, turtles, and a variety of fish. 4. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. The Galapagos Islands offer one of the richest marine ecosystems in the world. Divers can experience hammerhead sharks, whale sharks, sea lions, manta rays, and even penguins here. Darwin's Arch, Darwin Island. Main attraction, hammerhead sharks. Some of the largest schools of hammerhead sharks in the world can be found here, often in huge groups of hundreds. There are also sightings of whale sharks, especially between June and November. Dolphins, turtles, and eagle rays. This place is a hotspot for encounters with large sea creatures. 5. Maldives. The Maldives offer crystal-clear waters and an abundance of tropical fish species. The atolls, which are surrounded by colorful coral reefs, especially attract divers from all over the world. Banana Reef, North Male Atoll. A protected marine area with diverse marine life, including reef sharks, barracudas, and colorful corals. Perfect for beginners. With whale sharks and manta rays at many dive sites, the Maldives are a dream for every diver. Each of these places offers unforgettable experiences for diving enthusiasts and nature lovers. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video.